All right, today we're doing something a little bit different than what you used to me posting. We're going to be testing and replacing batteries on a Hyundai Tucson remote. I know y'all see this button. This is not the flip out remote. This is the one with the emergency key slides out. So this is the smart remote. Basically, how this remote works, you get next to the car, you keep the remote in your pocket, your bag, whatever. Once you get close to the car, you just push the button on the door. It unlocks, lets you in. And of course, you sit in the driver's seat, press the brake, push the start button. So this is a push to start type remote. And that's it. So what they're telling me is they're getting close to the car now. They're pushing the button on the door handle. It's not working. Sometimes the buttons itself are not unlocking the car. I think this is the husband remote. I think he said he had to pull this out a couple times to unlock the door. But it's still starting the car, so that's cool. Yeah, so let's test it. That works. All right, that's good. Now I'm gonna take one part, change the batteries. I have these batteries here. This should take a 2032, but let's open it up. This is how you change the battery. Put it in here, give it a little twist. Here, give it a little twist. Now, when you slide the battery out, let's make sure. Don't break this bracket. Let's confirm it's a 2032. Yes, it's 2032. So let's test the battery. Yeah, battery's about dead. So that could be their problem. I have a new one here. Here's another one I cut from this pack. Let's test this. Goes all the way up. We're good to go. Brand new. Let's seal that back up. That's it. That's how you change the batteries on these. Now I'm gonna get into this one. This was interesting. The husband had to go out. The wife could not get into this case. She got this fancy case, but she couldn't open it up. I gotta find the seam on this. But anyway, he had to come out, use his key to get in the car. So the wife was stuck there. You know, she had her nails and everything. She couldn't get into it. Let me see how this opens up. All right, there we go. It's up on the top. Yeah, this bad boy is sealed up pretty good. Yeah, the wife was in a pickle. She couldn't get in the car because, guess what? This remote, you can't get to that button to release this key. It's all sealed up. This is not a good design because you can't get your emergency key out. Here you go. This metal piece is attached to the blade, so let's leave it like that. Same as before. Get a little twist. Open it up. Slide the battery out. Let's test it. I'm assuming this one's dead too. Yep. About the same as this other one. They both about the same. So they both went dead around the same time. Let's get a new battery. There you go. Good. I always check new batteries because I don't know how long they've been sitting on the shelf, on the retailer's shelf. So it's always a good idea to check your batteries before you put them in the remotes. Like I said, this is the first thing you would do before you take your car to the dealer. Now, if this doesn't solve the problem with the pushing the buttons on the door, then that tells me that the module's going bad. If the module's going bad, unfortunately, you don't want to hear it, but you're going to have to take it to the dealer. I think they want me to get rid of this case. So let me clip that. Take that out. Let's clip that. Let's be done with it. There you go. And that's it. That's how you change your battery. Y'all need my help, give me a call. Go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Keep in mind, if you have other issues, electrical issues, stuff like that, the only thing I'm good at, I'm good with the keys, programming, stuff like that. You're having other issues, you need to consult a mechanic because that's not my jam. That's not what I do. I might have a little insight, but I don't have as much insight as a mechanic would. If it comes to the keys, yes, that's my jam. But sometimes if the car ain't starting, it goes a little bit beyond the keys sometimes. Y'all have a good one. And if y'all like my videos, like and subscribe. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank you.